I'm Steve Brown, candidate for District 66 for the Wisconsin State Assembly. I was sorry to see that the Wisconsin legislature failed to pass a bill this year to regulate carbon emissions and boost the use of renewable energy. It's important that Wisconsin wean itself from dependence from out-of-state coal and natural gas for electricity generation. The state now spends about $16 billion a year on fossil fuels to generate electric power. Reliance on coal-fired generators not only threatens the environment, but much of that money goes out of state, not supporting Wisconsin companies and jobs. The governor pushed a bill that would require boosting Wisconsin's use of renewable energy to 25% by the year 2025. It failed to pass in 2010, but the issue won't go away, and it will be back again in 2011. There are legitimate concerns over the details. The Public Service Commission has said that in 15 years, Wisconsin could reduce energy costs by $1.4 billion by requiring a shift to renewable forms of energy, something like this wind turbine behind me, by having some other ways of generating energy. But manufacturer groups have said there would be sizable costs associated with shifting this sort of electrical energy. I want to ensure as a member of the Assembly that any bill would not lead to sharply higher electrical bills for ordinary folks, and I will insist that existing jobs would not be imperiled, but reasonable people can then find reasonable solutions. Let me close by saying this. I truly believe that all of us are stewards of the land, and each of us has the power and the ability to make our earth a better place to live for future generations. Now, that's not a Republican or a Democratic value or an issue. That's a value that benefits each and every one of us. I'm Steve Brown, candidate for District 66, and I approve this message.